A lot of folks have been asking me questions since I did my video several weeks ago about bail-ins and banks and how the rules changed and things like that, and then a bunch of banks failed. And yes, the government came in, they broke their own rules and did all this crazy stuff, but the issue still stands. There's a lot of banks out there that are still teetering, and there's a lot of uncertainty out there. So the question was, where should we put our money? And it's a great question. There's a few things to think about. One is, what are you trying to solve? And probably one of the biggest things, not only security, meaning protect your money, you don't want to lose it, but the other one is to hedge against inflation. So what are some ways people do that? Well, look, there's real estate. I'm just giving you some ideas. I'm not giving you advice to do it. There's real estate. Some people like to do the whole precious metals thing. Some people like to invest in businesses, or maybe you own a business that's going well. Now, what do I do, and what do a lot of other people do, is we put our money in specially designed insurance contracts, specifically whole life insurance contracts, and more specifically dividend-paying whole life insurance contracts, specially done. I can't stress this enough. Seems like everyone's trying to sell these things, or they're trying to sell IUL policies masquerading as whole life. There's a lot of garbage out there. So I've been doing this personally since 2015-ish on my own policies, and I was probably in the topic on 2013, 2014. Not that long ago, guys. However, today, there's way more information out there. I don't know if it's good or bad, because there's a lot of bad information out there, so it's more confusing. So what I do, and I help people with these, I got my license a couple years ago. There was so much demand for it, and I thought there was a need to do things the right way. So a lot of the videos I do are kind of private to clients and things like that, but that's what I do. And how do I use these policies? Well, I flow money through them. So I could still do real estate. I could still do precious metals or crypto, or invest in businesses or private lend. I could still do those things. All I do is I flow it through my policies. I'm changing the environment of my money. It's as simple as that. My money works in two places at once. It doesn't lose its spot in the compound curve. And for a savings account, it's pretty stinking good. These are just like a house in that the insurance policies appreciate. There's equity, there's cash flow, all this cool stuff. And then you use that to go invest in a house or whatever your investment is. And that's really as simple as it is. That's what I do. If you have questions, let me know. I don't do any hard sales on this stuff. I'm talking to mostly investors, business owners. My goal is to educate you. Let's look at the numbers. Let's talk about it. So anyway, hope that helps. Have a great day.